Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to cancel all friend requests on Snapchat, which means if you have recently sent too many friends on Snapchat, now you want to cancel all the sent friend requests on Snapchat, then how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the quick add section in the Snapchat, where you can find all of your sent friend requests. As you can see, there is no option available, so what you have to do, you have to simply click on three dots here, and here you can find three options here. The first one is hidden from quick add. In here you will be shown that Snapchat user which are hidden from quick add, so you cannot add them from here. So the next one is ignore from added me, which means if someone do not accept your request, then you can simply find out here. So here you can simply find ignored friend request here. So after that, the third option is as recently added, which means these are the friend request you have recently sent. So if you want to cancel all of the friend requests on Snapchat, then what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you can see there are many available sent requests. Now if you want to cancel all of the friend requests, then what you can do, you can simply press and hold that ID, and after that you can simply click on manage friendship, and here you can simply click on remove. But if you want to delete or cancel all these sent requests, then it will take a lot of time. So there is no option available that you can simply cancel all of the friend requests on Snapchat at once. So before sending request, you have to make sure that you can simply cancel the request you want to send if they are not accepted. In this way you can simply cancel the request on sent request on Snapchat without any problem. Hope you have liked this video.